Wind.
Kieran! Kieran!
Simon,
Get in our tent! Rain.
you gonna make it rain? Watch yourself.
Wait.
You gotta throw some rain on it, Simon. Watch your eyes, though.
Rich, when it rains, okay?
Whoa!
Kieran,
No, that wasn't Kieran. That was the wind. The wind took it away. A big breeze came and got it.
Aunt!
Aunt who?
What?
Is that your aunt?
No,
Where's
that's Simon's aunt.
Where's your uncle?
He's at work.
Where's your uncle, Simon?
He's working with Aunt Allison.
Oh, that's Uncle Billy?
Or Uncle Kevin.
Does
Maybe Uncle Kevin's being stupid right now. He's my brother.
He's what?
He's my brother.
Who's your brother?
Kevin.
Oh, yeah, that's a different Kevy. Where is the ant now? I lost it.